If you're getting a GOG redeem code error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This is especially helpful if your code looks valid but still refuses to redeem, or if GOG keeps giving you an account or region-related error. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, let's fix the most common issue, which is your account region or country setting. Open your browser and go to GOG.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, hover over the account icon at the top of the page. From the menu, choose Orders and Settings. Here, look for your country or region and make sure it is set correctly. Next, go into the Account and Locale section and check the location setting as well. If it doesn't match your current location, update it to the correct one. This matters because some GOG codes are region-locked, and if your account location doesn't match, the code may fail even if it's valid. After confirming everything is correct, go back and try to redeem the code again. If that still doesn't work, let's try clearing your browser session so you can attempt the redeem with a clean login. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A new tab will open with your browser's clear data options. Select Cookies and other site data, then click Delete Data. After that, reopen GOG.com and sign in again. Once you're back in your account, enter the code and click Redeem. If the error still appears after both methods, then the code may be expired, already used, or not valid for your region. At that point, the issue is likely with the code itself rather than your browser or account settings. If this helped you fix the GOG redeem code error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.